Please be open with all. Here I will deliver my speech about the new President Prabowo. First of all, let's thank God Almighty because with His permission we are still in good health. Prabowo Subianto Dojo Hadikusumo is a politician, businessman, and retired TNI General who is justly serving as the 8th President of Indonesia since 20 October 2024. Previously, he served as the 28th the Minister of Defense, or the Indonesian People Consultative Assembly held a plenary session with the sole agenda of the inauguration of the President and Vice President of the Republic Indonesia for the 2024 to 2029 term of office Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Rakabuming Raka at the DPR Building Jakarta. The series of inauguration events began with the singing of the nation anthem Indonesia Raya, followed by a moment of silence as a form of respect for the nation series. At the chairman of the MPR Ahmad Muzani official opened the plenary session for the inauguration of the President and Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia for the 2024 to 2029 period. The procession continued with the recital of the President Award followed by the Vice President Award. Both promised to carry out their duties and responsibilities as well as possible in the interests of the nation and state. The following are a series of important points from President Prabowo Subianto. First speech will serve according to the Constitution, prioritize all the interaction of the people and more. That's the short speech I can deliver. If there are words that the said in greeting, please forget it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The topic I chose was question words. The question words are what, which, when, where, who, whom, whose, why, and how. There are words at the beginning of a sentence to ask question. Explanation is what. Asks about the subject thing. Which asks about a choice between a limited number of opinions. When asks about time. Where asks about location. Who asks about a person. Whom asks the object of the verb, asking about a person. Whose asks about perception. Why asks about the reason. How asks about the manner or method. Here are some characteristics of question words. Answer now or with words. Answer to ask open question. Answer to introduce relative clauses. Answer to ask about different things. Interrogative is a chatterrogative being an interrogative sentence that foundation to reflect something the speaker wants to know or confirm that the speaker already knows. Example of question words. Who? Who is the president of Brazil? Who will be the winner? What? What does the sentence mean? What dress are you wearing tonight? When? When can I see you again? When is the next World Cup? Where? Where are the necklace? Where do you live? Why? Why did you break the glass? Why? Haven't you colored? Which? Which of the pens is the best? Which odor you enjoy? Worse. Worse child is this that has absorbed. Worse is big things. How? How do you learn English? How has the winner been? What is meant by wishy question words? Wishy question are question words in English which are written starting with weird words. Wishy questions are answered by someone to ask for information, to which the person speaking must provide a clear answer. In English, they are also now a person question. In other words, you cannot answer a question sentence in the form of a wish question or no. Thank you.